Okay, period 3, you guys did a fantastic job with the first day of e-learning. This was one of the most missed questions though, and it gives you the nth derivative of g at x equals 0 is given by this function for n greater than or equal to 1, and it asks you what the coefficient for the term containing x to the fourth in the Maclaurin series of g. Now remember, Maclaurin, that is code for the center is 0. So that really leads us to the structure, and we're going to go with an f of 0 plus an f prime of 0 over 1 factorial times x plus an f double prime of 0 over 2 factorial times x squared plus the third derivative at 0 over 3 factorial times x cubed plus the fourth derivative at 0 over 4 factorial times x to the fourth. Now it asks for the x to the fourth term, so we're really focusing in on this term. It asks the coefficient, so we're really looking for that entire circled piece. Alright, so first thing I need is the fourth derivative. So I'm going to do g4 of 0, which is negative 1 to the fourth, times 4 minus 1 factorial over 4 plus 3. So I clean that up a little bit. The negative 1 to the fourth is a 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 factorial is 6. And then 4 plus 3 is going to be 7. So I've got 6/7. Now this was where most people make a mistake, and it leads them to the wrong answer. So a lot of students will choose A because they got that fourth derivative is 6/7. Probably the single most common incorrect answer. So we need to take into account the 4 factorial that's in the bottom of this structure over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 6/7 that we just found. I'm going to divide that by 4 factorial. So I've got 6/7 times 1 over 4 factorial. That's 6/7 times 4 times 3, which is 12, times 2, which is 24. So we got 1 over 24. Now the 6 and the 24 I can reduce down to a 4 in the bottom. So I have 1 over 7 times 4, which is 28. Alright, so that gives me 1/28 for this entire green shaded region. Alright, which is our choice C. Alright, which is our correct answer for this particular problem. Hope that was helpful. Thanks.